Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today's August 26, 2021. Litecoin paired against the dollar. We're going to talk about this particular cryptocurrency today because there's some things on this chart that I definitely want everyone in our community to see and know about so that we can be prepared to see where the price is going to go so that we can win against the trap and against everyone else that tries to win into the market or at least going against us. So today, if it is your first time ever seeing our video and our content, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel, because one thing we do not do here is we do not pump up cryptocurrency. We don't hype up, tell you all that every cryptocurrency is going to shoot to the moon, because that is not the case. But what we will do is we're going to predict the price, all without being confused. So if you guys want to join us, hit us up. The doors are open, because look at this one. All right, we're going to talk about Litecoin on this video. And you can see it. We was tracking the price in Litecoin following that ascending line, right? Now, tell me something. What happened the last 3 days in the market for Litecoin? Did the price break the trend? Did it? No, seriously, I'm asking you all that question. Did the price in Litecoin break that ascending line? Huh? If it did, what day did it happen? I'm gonna show it to you right here. The market on August the 24th broke the trend in Litecoin. So we have to address this. We have to bring this to the forefront and say, okay, what's going on in the market? Because if the market was going to really retain the strength, the price would have continued to go higher. I mean, we got some people out there that is expecting the price in Litecoin to hit up there towards $225. That is the price target that some people are aiming Litecoin is going to go. So as we see this price break this ascending line, do you think that's a probable thing that's going to happen relatively soon? Because in order for us to hit that $225 price, check this out. We have about, from where price is now in Litecoin, right, at 170. In order for us to hit $225, this price in Litecoin has to increase 32.25%. Now, is that doable? Yeah, it's cool. I mean, the price in Litecoin can do that in 1 day. But as of right now, for us to see this price break this trend, it is becoming unlikely. So we need to see some more bullishness come on this chart in order for this to come to fruition. And it's not being seen yet. So we need to talk about this, right? So check this out. Let me show you what happened to the price for Litecoin against our last price prediction, because you can see it right here. August the 15th was the last time we did a price prediction in Litecoin. We told everyone on that video to expect the price to go higher, and it did. But check this out. Look at this. Just check this out. It's simple. This is where the price in Litecoin got rejected. Right there. The price could not break above $190. Now ask yourself the question again. Why would that be the case? Why did the market get rejected at $190 and the price came back down? Two things. Either one, too many people was selling at 190, or two, didn't nobody want to buy the price of Litecoin higher. And once demand and interest drops, price is going to fall right alongside with it. It's just that simple. Okay. So until we see this price in Litecoin crack up above $190, don't expect us to try to hit that 225. It's just that simple. And then on top of that, to see the price break this ascending line is even more troublesome. So let me check this out. So if you were to get out the market at 190 in Litecoin, cool, you got 6%, right? We wasn't able to top out at our ultimate TP price of about 200. We didn't get that. And we definitely not seeing that on the chart now, considering that the price in Litecoin broke the trend. All right, so now let me take this away, because one thing that I could tell after we broke this trend in Litecoin on August 24th, the next trading day, the price tried to come back up above that ascending line, right? It tried right there, August the 25th. Today, we are still seeing that rejection come through. So this tells me that we are definitely waning away from this trend. The market is changing direction, and when it changes direction, we need to follow right alongside with it. I don't care how much we want the price to go up. When you see these type of things happen into the market, you got to follow right alongside with it in order to minimize losses. That's one. Or two, get in position so that you can win on the way down. It's just that simple. Now, considering that the price in Litecoin broke the trend, right? We need to consider, okay, we appreciate the trap. giving us that information. Now, how low can the price go then? Where would be the next area that we would expect the price to come down and grab some support? Check this out. Understandably, the market always leaves us some information so that we can be prepared and make the correct or accurate prediction. So you can see it right here during this time frame that we got a couple areas to where we can see the market grab some support. Okay, and we're not that far. We even see the support area into the market in Litecoin during this time period. So we appreciate all the work and effort that the trap does day in and day out to give us this information, because without him, we wouldn't know where the market area support was going to be. We wouldn't. So we're going to eye the support area in the market in Litecoin to be right there around 160, right? That's going to be the first area. Okay, 160. Now, if we come down to 160 and he actually confirms that 160 is going to be support, then that $225 price target that the bulls are looking at is still on the table. Period. I mean, it's just that simple. So we're going to eye the market in Litecoin to see if he's really going to try to grab that support at 160. Because if so, then the long side, the buy side of the market going higher throughout the rest of September, October, however long it takes, that 225 is still on the table. This is what we need to be on the lookout for. All right, so let me do this. Okay, this is a 3-day time frame that we're looking into the market in Litecoin. All right, again, it's not extremely weak. The only thing that we have noticed that has changed is the fact that the price has broke the trend, which when you measure the severity of that, yeah, it can transition over to a bigger move to the downside, right? But first, we need to see the market grab that 160, because if it does, then the downside movement is not going to be severe. Okay, this is the 5-day. And you can see a pretty good accurate depiction as to where restriction is coming in the market in Litecoin, right here. So when you look at these 5-day price bars, now granted, we still have 2 days and 13 hours left on this one, but we have about 20 days that started August the 9th. So the whole month of August, think about this. The whole month of August, the price in Litecoin tried to break above 190 and it got rejected. So that's like 20 days of trading and this price is showing us rejection. So we're definitely leaning towards we're definitely leaning towards the price in Litecoin going lower. So let's follow it. We just need to follow the market. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay. So now I'm going to get rid of this ascending line right now because the price is confirming that it cannot break above it. And we need to transition over to a consolidational range. We saw on that 5-day price chart that 190 is plaguing the price in Litecoin. Okay. So that simply means that we're not going to go higher until we see the market break above 190. The market breaks at 190, then $220 is on the table. Just that simple. I told you that 160 needs to be maintained as support first. That's going to be our first area of TP, which will garner us by 6.33%. And just under the auspice that the market is going to break a little bit lower than that, we'll do it around $151. Just that simple. Okay. So what we're getting right now into the market in Litecoin is barely it's going to consolidate. It's going to trade sideways. Now, while the market has been doing that, we definitely need to see some strength come through, because if we don't see no strength, we're going to transition over to a downtrend. Okay. So that's the play. This is our prediction. This is what I'm seeing on the chart right now in the market in Litecoin. I want to know your perception. What are you seeing on the chart? Give me your comment below of this video to tell me, what do you notice? There's only 3 things that can happen in the market. 3. 1, price could go up. 2, price can trade sideways. 3, price can go down. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. You can't get nothing else out of the market outside of that. So all of this other confusion that people try to give us to do, technical analysis, using technical indicators, you don't need it. The market can only give us three things. Pick one and follow the market. That's all. So let me know. Hit me up. Leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me where you all think the price in Litecoin is going to be over the next 2.5-3 weeks. I'm out. Trade different.